Ellen hits Idol when Idol hits Hollywood. This Tuesday on Fox.
Not a test. You better don't do it. The man like that fatal sweat lodge ceremony, that's the jail.
Boys are always a favorite for kids, but as long as our Fiji boy being marketed to young children has some parents very upset.
And love you.
Take a look at paid celebrity endorsements for Dish Network and DirecTV. Last year, DirecTV paid for Peyton Manning, Kim Basinger, Dennis Leary, Tom
Where's Psycho Bird? Can you get her to do Psycho Bird? Oh no! Do Psycho Bird! Do Psycho Bird, Lucy. Ah! Oh no! Oh no, Lucy!
Dish Network customers. Dish Network. Lower price, no paid endorsements, better value. Why do you ever pay more for TV?
That's not as good as Psycho Bird.
In San Diego, the greatest hits of all time have come together. The new 1057, The Walrus, fixing a hole in San Diego radio.
I'll be there.
Efficient mid-sized car in America with 3.
Getting a little close here.
Fusion gets 41 mpg, 8 miles per gallon better than Camry.
Go on. Go on.
Voice-activated technology and has quality that can't be beat by Honda.
And Barney's feeling a little bit better today after he was mauled
Zero APR on a great selection of new high-quality.
by a golden retriever, no less.
San Diego County Ford dealer.
Oh, you think that's funny? Say cheese. Say hello.
Kentucky Grilled Chicken and Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Say hello. Are you going to say hello?
Kentucky Grilled Chicken. Meal or larger.